bells begin to ring. Her relatives surrounding me, I cannot flee. Now the mass begins at 5. She'll be walking down the aisle, and I'll be doing time. I spent some weeks kept in seclusion. She wasn't just another girl I could elude. The injustice brought about is bringing my life upside down. Now I'm doing time. Now I'm doing time. Now I'm doing time. There's no escape that I can see. The law of love decrees no second chance for me. So goodbye to one and all.